My name is Gates. So we'll teach you how to make samosas the African way. So first of all, we need the dough. We make it in small round shapes. We'll make
And you're doing this every Saturday?
Yeah, every Saturday we cook different things. For whom? With the kids. I teach them how to cook. So last Saturday we prepared pilau. Today we prepared mandazi and samosas. We've already prepared the mandazis, now we're preparing samosas. Yeah.
Why do you do it with the kids?
Okay, first of all, it's fun teaching them. They're so smart. They also like learning. I also like teaching them, and it's a way of growing with them, and also it's another way of keeping them busy to avoid them loitering around the village. So we prefer doing such activities so that we can at least engage them in something positive. Yeah.
How old are the kids you're working with?
Normally I work with, let's say from 10 to 18. Sometimes even 20 something if they wish to come. But normally I work with the younger ones.
And you have started it some month back or some weeks back, right?
Yeah, I think this is the second month.
It's the second month now. And the feedback of the children and the young ladies, how is it?
It's good. The fact that they keep coming back, it shows that they like it and they enjoy it.
They like it and they enjoy it. Is it true?
Yes, we
Yes.
enjoy.
Why do you enjoy it?
Because it is fun and we learn something from the teaching.
Is she a good teacher?
Yes.
Yeah, she is. And then we have another person here helping you. It's Mike.
Yeah, Mike.
Mike, what are you doing?
I'm making a dough.
Yeah, but generally, how do you help VICCO? How do you support VICCO?
Like, I help in a lot of things. Like what I'm doing now. Yeah, and sometimes I stay with the children.
Yeah, you're helping with a lot of activities, right?
Yeah.
That's great. Good. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.